This is one of the most powerful home remedies for cough and congestion. Just 1 spoonful can help clear your airways and ease throat irritation. To make it, caramelize 10 tablespoons of brown sugar in a pot. Add 1 cup of water and 10 bay leaves. Then simmer for 3 minutes. Let it cool. Squeeze in juice from 2 lemons and mix well. For extra flavor and benefits, add a few lemon slices. Store in a lidded container. Adults can take 2 tablespoons a day. Kids, 1 tablespoon. Relief starts from the first dose. Visit the link in bio for more remedies, and don't forget to follow, like, and share for more tips.